Hi my lovies and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a get ready with me video. I'm going on a date tonight with my boyfriend. So I thought that it might be fun if we can get ready together. I'm trying to make sure my gown doesn't open and it flashes all. I said I would get ready with you guys on camera because I haven't done that in a hot minute. But I'm going to do my hair, my makeup, and I'm going to show you my outfit. I just want to say a huge shout out to Pretty Little Things first off because they did sponsor this video, and I want to say a huge thank you to them, and they sent me the outfit for this video, and I just wanted to say thank you for working with me again on another video, and I'm very excited for this one. I have no plan in my head of what makeup I want, but I kind of want something a little bit more natural. So I'm going to start off by priming my face with my Essence Fresh and Fit Awake primer. I love this primer. You guys have heard me talk at length about this primer. Quite luminous, and anytime I do use this I always mention, even though I've oily skin, that this doesn't make me oily throughout the day. It just kind of illuminates my skin. For foundation I'm going to mix two. I'm going to take the Rimmel Lasting Finish Breathable Foundation. I love this. It's really light coverage and it's an absolute beautiful finish of a foundation. I did a first impressions on this. If you want to see it, I'll link it down below. I'm going to mix it with the Huda Beauty foundation. I'm not a big fan of this foundation, but I have discovered a way to use it that I like it, and it's by mixing it in with a lighter coverage foundation. I just feel like it gives a nicer finish to this, and this comes with a big doe foot, so I'm just going to apply that to my face first, and then just take a little bit of this on the back of my hand and just apply it to the areas that I want extra coverage. I do find that it is quite yellow, but mixed in with that breathable foundation, it's quite nice. So I'm just going to put that in areas I need a little bit of extra coverage. Blend that all out with my beauty blender. I really love the combo of both these foundations together. I think they balance each other out really well. And I'm finally delighted that I can actually use the Huda Beauty foundation, because you know me, I don't like to give up on a product. Let's get up close and personal. I'm going to take the I Love Stage base from Essence, and I'm going to apply that onto my eye and blend that primer in with my finger. I love how my nails are like so ratchet at the moment. Do you know what? I don't even care. To set that base down, I'm taking the Essence Banana Powder and I'm just going to pat that onto my eyelids just so that the shadows on top will blend a little bit better. So I want to wing out my eye, but I don't want to apply winged liner, if that makes any sense. So I'm going to actually take a pencil and map out what I want on the eye or for the shape. I'm going to move quickly with this because it won't dry if I move quickly, whereas if I leave it and move on to the other eye, then this eye will dry and then it'll be virtually impossible to blend out. So I'm just going to blend it like this. For my look today, I'm going to take the Jacqueline Hill palette, and I'm going to go straight in with this shade here first. I'm just going to pop that through my crease. So I'm not worrying too much about the brown that I put down initially because we'll get to that in a mo. I'm taking this on a Morphe M502 brush, just if you're wondering. Next, I'm going to take this yellow and I'm going to mix it in with this kind of like orangey shade here. So the two of those colors are going into my crease with an Inglot 48 SS brush. Actually, I just changed to a 46 SS brush because I feel like that other brush was not working for me. So I'm going to go in with the teeniest bit of orange. So I'm just taking this shade here and I'm just taking that on a Zoeva brush. This is a Lux, what the hell is it, 228 brush. I'm just going to pop that into the crease as well, just keeping it a bit lower than the yellows. And I'm just going to bring it down onto the brown where I put that liner. Now I'm going to take this brown shade here just on the bottom corner, and I'm just going to go over where the liner is, or where I placed the liner initially, and I'm just going to deepen it up. And I'm just going to smudge that onto the lid as well. Okay, so I'm just building up the brown on the outer corner, and I'm going to leave all this blank because I'm going to put a pigment in there. First, I'm going to apply some glitter glue, and this is from Too Faced. I'm just going to apply that to the back of my hand first. Then I'm taking a little brush, this is just another Wet n Wild brush, and I'm just going to use that just to pop the glitter glue just all over the inner portion of my eye. And then just with a flat shader brush, I'm just going to pop the pigment on. So you can take a brush with nothing on it and just blend the two shades back and forth. Just like that, just to make it less harsh. And then just to clean up as well, I'm just going to take that brush again from Zoeva, just that I had the orange on. I'm just going to pop that through the crease just to clean any of the pigment up so that it's not kind of going way up into the crease, if that makes any sense. And with the little pencil brush, if any of the pigment got onto the brown there, you can just kind of clean that up as well. Okay, I'm going to go back in with that Costa pencil from MAC and just pop that into my waterline. And then just to tight line as well. Just to finish off the eyes, I'm going to take this shade up here from the Jaclyn Hill palette and just apply that underneath my brows just to highlight the brow bone and then just into the inner tear duct of my eye. I have the Born This Way concealer. This is the new multiple use sculpting concealer. I love this. However, it is a little bit too dark for me, this shade. I have the shade Sand, so it doesn't really match, but it's great at just kind of like cleaning up any mistake. Great at cleaning up eyeshadow like that. Then I'm just going to use a more highlighting colour underneath my eyes. So I need to get this in a lighter shade because it is just so amazing. I love it. So I'm going to use my Wet n Wild concealer underneath my eyes. I'm just going to place that there and just bring it down a wee bit. I'm just going to blend all that concealer in with my beauty blender. I don't know what to do about my brows. I think I'll fill them in ever so lightly, but because they've only been recently tinted, they're not, you know, they're not too bad. Gonna set underneath my eyes with the banana powder from Essence and just tap that on with a Real Techniques brush. I love how I have no idea what the hell I'm doing with my makeup today. I'm winging this big time. And now I'm going to set my face with one of my new favourite powders. This is from Wet n Wild. This is the Photo Focus Pressed Powder in Natural Beige, or Neutral Beige rather. So I'm just going to set my entire face with that. I absolutely love this powder. It makes my skin so silky soft. So now I'm going to continue with underneath the eyes, and I'm just going to take that brown shade again that I used on the lid or on the outer corner, and I'm just going to blend that underneath my eyes and just kind of wing it out a little bit more just to match the upper eye. And then I'm just going to take that fluffy brush with the orange and I'm just going to run that over the inner portion of my eye and just kind of over the brown as well, just to blend it all out. And I ran out of this mascara, so I just picked up a new bottle of it today. This is my favourite mascara ever. This is the Lash Princess mascara from Essence, and I'm just going to apply that through my lashes. I might put falsies on, I don't know yet, because I'm kind of liking my natural lashes. This mascara just lifts up my lashes and just makes them look amazing. Like you can see from this side to this side just looks so much nicer with this mascara. I love it. Now to bronze up my skin, I'm going to take the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil on my new favorite bronzing brush. This is the P60 from Wet n Wild. I love this brush. It is just the most divine brush ever. I'm just gonna bronze up all my skin, just around the forehead, around my temples, and then just under my jawline as well. Or not under my jawline, under my cheekbones. For blush, I'm going to take my favourite natural blush, which is NARS's Madly. I'm just going to apply that to the cheeks. I love this. It's just really subtle and just adds a lovely tint to the cheeks without being too overkill, because sometimes blush can look a bit much. And for highlight, I'm going to take from the new Jennifer Lopez Inglot collection. I'm going to take the shade Live in the Highlight. I'm just going to apply that to the tops of my cheekbones. So I'm just going to place a little bit into the lid and then smush it in with my brush. Oh my god, that is very, very bright. Oh no, we may have went a bit overkill with that. That is super pretty. I just feel like there's just a bit too much on my face, so we'll sort that out now in a moo. I love those highlights mixed in with your moisturizer as well, and just place it on your body. It's just really nice. Actually, do you know what? I might put some of that on my collarbones as well, because I just think it is so pretty. This collection has me shook. I love it. I think it's like the nicest collection that Inglot have come out with in the longest time ever. Like, I do love Inglot's collections. Like, Inglot is one of my favorite brands of all time, but I just feel like, there we go, I just feel like this collection is outstanding. Okay, now my brow is completely out, but you can't see it, thank god. I'm just gonna apply some of this to my shoulders as well. Because I just think this is so nice. Oh my god, let's just apply it everywhere. Oh my god, guys, this is so pretty. Look at that glow. Oh my god, I love it. I just feel like my whole face and body and everything's just glowing. The light just hits it fantastically well. What is this? So finally we're going to move on to the lips, and I'm going to take the lip liner in the shade Oak and just line my lips. Actually, I need a mirror to do this. I'm going to take the Jennifer Lopez lipstick in the shade Floor, F-L-O-R, Floor, is it in floor, like hit the floor, like dance floor? It's like a pinky nude shade. Oh my god, yes, I'm living for this. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Really creamy. It's not matte. If it was a MAC lipstick, I'd say it's like a cream sheen formula. I'm going to put a bit of gloss on top, and this is Soft Rose, again from the Ingloss Jennifer Lopez collection. Ooh, this has a scent as well. It smells like strawberries. It's so nice. I am obsessed with that collection. Oh my god, I need more from the JLo collection because I'm just obsessed with the products that I use. The eyes, the highlight, and the lip products. Oh my god, they're so beautiful. I also have a gel liner there somewhere, but obviously I went with brown, so I didn't put any gel liner on, and I don't think I'm gonna apply any lashes, any falsies. I think I'm pretty happy. Okay, I need to sort out my GRWM because it's not looking its best. It's looking very, very crazy. Yeah, do you know what I might do is I might leave it just straight and just leave it natural, like as in like not put any extensions into it or anything. I don't think I need any extensions, but hello, like what is this? There's like a crazy kink going on here. Hang on. So I'm just gonna straighten out these bits just to see if they will sit any flatter on my head, and then I'll just brush my hair through. I don't want to go crazy poker straight. See, I think that looks much better. It's not as crazy as it was before. I still have a couple of like frizzy bits at the front that I just can't really do anything about. I have like new baby hairs all growing at the front because my hair has been treated and looked after by my hairdresser and I, so I've new like baby hairs growing in the front, and I've like new bits of baby hairs, like you can see them there, they're like getting longer. So the front bit might be a bit frizzy, but like we'll just ignore that. Pretend it looks halfway decent. So I'm gonna get dressed now, guys. I just want to show you what outfit I'm thinking of wearing tonight. So I haven't worn this outfit yet, and Pretty Little Thing sent it to me to wear tonight on my date. I picked this out myself. But the first thing is this little plain white crop top. So I'm gonna wear this. This was a really affordable crop top as well. I think it was only a few euro, and it's ideal for the pants, which are the star of the show. Wait till you see these, guys. Oh my god, like you're probably just seeing the color right now and going, what? These are high-waisted floral bell-bottom trousers, and they are just incredible. Paired with just the white crop top, they're actually gorgeous. This actually reminds me of my little kimono that I'm wearing. And then because we're going in the car, like he's picking me up, I want to wear some sunglasses. Sunglasses are essential. These glasses I've had my eye on for ages. They are the oval metal sunglasses, and I just think they're so pretty. I love my Ray-Bans, but I just love really cool stylish glasses like these. Like, hello! I love these. They're really 70s looking as well, and I just think they're ideal for this outfit. So for my earrings, I have a choice of two. I was going to wear these dangly ones, which I think look so cool, but I don't know now with my hair down if they look cool. I was going to like do my hair up like in a really slicked back high ponytail, and I thought they might look cool, but actually, do you know what, with my hair down they actually do look really cool. Okay, so I'm gonna go get dressed and then I'll show you my outfit in full. So this is the outfit, and I'm so obsessed with it. I absolutely adore these trousers. I just think that they are so cute and they're really comfy, and bonus Jonas, I don't have to shave my legs. I love how high-waisted they are as well, so they make you look longer than you are, and because they're like a full-length trouser as well, they make me look like I'm really tall. I'm wearing some gold heels as well, which I think are old stock from Pretty Little Thing, but I will try and find them on the website and link everything down below. I feel like this outfit can also be worn like on a night out or something like that, or if you want to wear it with flats on holidays, if you're that little bit taller, like if you're taller than me, you could wear this with flats. But I'd wear this on holidays because I could wear it with wedges or something like that. But yeah, so I'm ready for my date, guys. I'm gonna go because I'm gonna be late. So thank you all so much for joining me today to get ready with me for my date. Don't forget, if you want any of the items from the this video that they'll be all listed, and I will chat to all you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye!